Hi everyone, thank you for watching Laugayata. You can post your chemistry related questions in the comment section and I'll make a video solution for that. In this video, we'll see how can we find the units for the rate constant. But before that, let's see what are the units for the rate. So, rate of a reaction is actually the change in the concentration of the reactants or products with respect to the time. So, the units for concentration are mole per liter or molar, and the units for the time are seconds, which is written as S, or it can be minutes, right? Or it can be hours also. So if we say that the concentration units are mole per liter and the time is in seconds, then the units for rate will be mole per liter upon second. So it can be written as mole liter inverse second inverse, or it can also be written as molar second inverse, or it can also be written as molar minute inverse. So depending upon the units of the concentration and time in the question, we will find the units for the rate. Now let's see how can we find the units for the rate constant. So the units of the rate constant actually depends upon the order of the reaction. So if you want to know more about the order of the reaction, you can click on the card above and you can find more about the order. So if the reaction is zero order reaction, then the rate will be equal to K multiplied by A raised to the power 0, where small k is the rate constant and A is the concentration of the reactant. Now as it is zero order, so A is raised to the power 0. So if we want to find the units for the rate constant, so rate constant can also be written as rate upon A raised to the power 0. So we already know the units for the rate, which is mole liter inverse second inverse upon, so something raised to the power 0 is 1, so this will be equal to, so the units for the rate constant for zero order will be equal to mole liter inverse second inverse or molar second inverse, right? So here the units of rate constant are same as the units for the rate. Now let's see for the first order reaction. For first order, so rate will be equal to small k A raised to the power 1, right? So k can be written as rate upon A raised to the power 1. So the rate units are mole liter inverse second inverse upon, here the A is also a concentration, so it will be mole liter inverse, right? So these two get cancelled and you are left with second inverse. So the units for rate constant for the first order reaction is second inverse or minute inverse or hour inverse. So it depends upon the units in the question. So for second order reaction rate is equal to K A raised to the power 2, or if there is more than one reactant, then it can also be written as A B, right? So but for both of these the units will be same. So K can be written as rate upon A square, right? So the rate units are mole liter inverse second inverse upon mole per liter square. So mole per liter will get cancelled once and you will be left with second inverse upon mole liter inverse, and it can be more simplified as liter mole inverse second inverse. So this is the units for rate constant for the second order. Similarly, you can find it for the other orders also. Just you need to keep this thing in mind that rate constant will be equal to rate upon the concentration. If it's 0, then 0 order. For first order it will be raised to the power 1, for second order it will be raised to the power 2, for third order it will be raised to the power 3, and so on. So like this we can find the units for the rate constant depending upon the order of the reaction. Please like and subscribe to the channel Log Iota and press the bell icon